Oh, how's that? It should work now. Wait. Okay. Yeah. I don't know why that was doing that. Thank you for letting me know. I didn't know that was gonna be a thing, but appreciate that because that would have gone on for a whole lot longer had you not mentioned that. So thanks. Hello. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say the answer is chicken butt. Um, but if not, do feel free to let me know. Thanks. Um, let me get the setup going. As you can see, uh, guess what? I'm still gonna go out on a limb and say chicken butt is the answer. What's up? Because if not, you can still say it though. Because you technically still got me because I had, in a way. Um, okay, I'm gonna see if I can prop up chat. Does that work? Ah, all of it? Chicken butt. You got me. You got me. That is, I would have never expected that. I don't know why this does that. There's gotta be like an easier way to prop up chat. Maybe I should just keep my phone on the side, like a Stream Deck. Pretty sure there actually is a Stream Deck app for the phones. No, you got me though. You did get me with the chicken butt. Okay. Okay, let's go. So now, today, the objective is no longer Rust. I've learned Rust quite a bit in the time since my last stream. Now I'm going to be doing C++ problem sets since I'm a LARPer. As you can see, there's been a change of scenery. I'm going to look at the stream on my phone so I can see the live chat. I hope that doesn't play out loud. Okay. Let me see. Wait. Okay. Yeah. So, how's your guys' day? Anything new? Anything exciting? Anything fun? Because I know I, for one, have not really been doing anything that's cool, exciting, or fun. But just trying to live my life. You know what I mean? I'm saying. Not mean. I'm gonna look at the live chat from. Okay, wait. Gotcha. You still in hometown or back in college? I'm back in California. That was just for 4th of July. I didn't really make it big because I didn't know how long I was gonna be out here for. If I was gonna be, or I didn't know how long I was gonna be in town for. If I was gonna be in town for a lot longer, then I probably would have like posted on my story or something. I mean, I guess I technically did, but I don't know. I'm just kind of like, uh, I'm just coasting. I mean, I still work here, out here, the zone, but I've been trying to get into like competitive programming. Plus, I made a deal with my friends out here that I'd do some leak code problems, and whoever does the most leak code problems of value gets a $5 food item. So I don't want to miss out on that for sure. When are you coming back? Probably like August. Okay, August 8th. I've got like a week back in town and then I go back into the school. Not excited for that. But it is what it is. I can probably shoot the shite while I do one of these problems though. So I guess I'm gonna be doing 231A. So I'm gonna make a directory 2D1A. I think I'm ready to start. I'm gonna make my file first, and typically open that in. I wasn't in W. Okay, I'm already in WSL. I'm gonna open that in NeoVim. Okay, that didn't work. What is it? std C++. No, wait. I'm silly. It's bits. C++.h. I think that's how it works. I'm not the smartest chip on the block, off the block, but that's not how that goes. I don't know why I said that. But I'm ready. Let me just do a hello world to make sure everything is going smoothly. Still using the Tony Stark thingy to make it more cool. Oh, that one. Okay, so I was using that. That's still like an option on the table. The problem is that I don't know. I've heard a lot of good success stories from people using NeoVim, which is basically this big terminal over here, to do their work. But um the old one, and like they say that they grow more like attached to their technology when they use just like a terminal. And also like I kind of agree that it can be a little bit faster just using your keyboard to do everything. So like if I open up like let's say, let me just make sure this compiles real quick. Or wait, that's the wrong compiler. Takes a bit. There we go. Okay, so the program works. You can just go like this, and boom, you're working on your file again. Everything's your keyboard. There's no mouse play. It's quite convenient, I'd say, but it's not like the ultimate way to do things. Let me just open this up. I'm gonna start this problem set. Oh, I guess I opened it in a new tab. Hello, Earth, big dog. Yo, what? Hello, Earth, big dog. Wait, you don't mess with the NeoVim setup? Are you using NeoVim? I don't know, like I can't remember if you did or not. I think you were using VS Code for BPA, right? So yeah, I have a 12-hour shift tomorrow. I need to sleep. Can I go? Yeah, thank you for tuning in for a bit. See ya, and have a good night, and hope your shift is pretty good tomorrow. One day, three best friends, Petya, Vasya, and Tonya, decided to form a team to take part in programming contests. Participants are usually offered several problems during programming contests long before the start. Friends decide that they will implement a problem. At least two of them are unsure. Otherwise, the friends will write the problem solution. Yo, what? Okay. Dog, you're putting yourself through hell, Brody. Oh, yo. Bro, I'm telling you, it's so much. I don't know. I can't get myself to code for shit. I think it's. Thanks. I don't know. BPA is over. I don't have any like competitive programming skills from it because it was more like I feel like BPA was more like hackathon-y. I don't know, like or I mean, I guess it technically was like a competitive programming contest, but not that I was like crazy good in it or anything, but I don't know. I feel like now that I have more experience from CS and from Zon, I think I'm ready to take on the world of competitive programming. I mean, then again, I'm kind of talking out of my ass. Like these are 800 level questions. It's literally as easy as it gets. But you know, you put yourself through hell with just straight NeoVim torture, but you'll get some form of crackness out of it, dude. I just need to become cracked at any cost. Um, and the cost, unfortunately, here has to be using NeoVim, as well as doing competitive programming sets, problem sets. Contest offers n problems to resolve each problem. We know which friend is sure. The solution help the friends find the number of problems for which they'll write a solution. Okay, this one's actually low-key, like, kind of confusing me. It's a single integer. Each integer is 0, 0, or 1. If the first number in the line equals 1, that GI is sure about the problem solution, otherwise he isn't sure. The second number shows Vassia's view on the solution. The numbers and lines. Print a single integer, the number of problems the friends will implement on the contest. Whoa, okay. What? Okay, the first line, okay, so if you, the number of problems in the contest is n. Wait, no. Yeah, okay. Then n lines contain 3 integers each. Okay, so each problem has 3 integers. Oh, okay, so it's each person is a column, and each row is the problem. So yeah, each column is a person, each row is the column, or each row is the problem. Okay. First number in line 1 equals. The first number in the line equals 1, then Petya sure what the problem is. Second number shows they're separated by spaces. Number of problems the friends implement in the contest. So how is that 2? That's what I don't get. Oh, wait. Help the friends find the number of problems for which they will write a solution. My question is, are they just using, like, numbers separated by spaces? I don't get how that's 2. Not the problem, otherwise he isn't sure. The second number shows Vassia's. For each problem we know which friend is sure about the solution. Help the friends find the number of problems for which they will write a solution. Oh, okay, so at least 2 of them have to be sure about it to implement. Okay. I saw the first. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So I guess let's start with endure and problem. Oh my god, what am I doing? The problem is well, I'm actually blanking, so okay, that's the problem. That's command. Oh my god. Have fun, you two. Have lots of fun. Because I'm not having fun. But I have to do these problem sets. But hope you guys are having fun. You guys having fun? And that's the problem. Okay, so the second one is the person. No, okay. I think this is just like a number separated by. Yeah, that's gotta be what it is. It's just gotta be a number separated by a space. I don't know why that's tripping me up so bad. Let's see. Oh my god, bad choice. Gotcha. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, okay. Print a single integer, the number of problems we'll implement. Okay, if that's a bunch of. Well, that's just a string. Okay. Then this one will be a problem. That'll just be a string. The string is 5. Okay. So each problem is each person. First one's Petya. I don't think it matters some of the context of that. Like, from what I know, yeah, so we'll start by reading in the uh, the number of problems for I equals 0, I is less than n, plus plus, this one sure. For every, so for every problem, it's gonna read out 3 integers. There's not gonna be a space in the front. I don't think there's a space at the end. No, it's just like a new line. No, actually no, it's gonna be 1, 1, 0. Okay, so number, space, number, space, number. 0, 2. No, wait. 0, 2. 4. Okay, yeah. 4 space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, no, 5. What? 0, 1, 2, 3. Wait, am I foolish? Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. So then for int j equals, wait, that'll be O of n squared though. No, no, that shouldn't be O of n squared. 0, j is less than, let's say 4, j plus plus. Okay, go. So for each problem, it reads. No, wait. I'm silly. This is 5 spaces. Convert that, half it. Oh, wait. J plus equals 2. Okay, so every other index. Search aside 0 plus 2 is 2. And plus 2 is 4. I think we can actually just turn that to 4 still. As long as it's less than or equal. No, less than, okay. Because it's going to be 0, 2, 4. Wait, okay. 0, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I don't really know why I was. No, it should be 5. Okay. That's okay. So for everyone, if j, no, if no, I'm parsing this completely wrong. I'm parsing this completely wrong.
Here's what I found.
Shut up, bro. What are you talking about? Okay. Good thing we have that in mind, though. So now we can do problem plus equals. What? Okay, think. Store it in a vector. Okay, so just store in a vector. The vector of strings. Call it problems. That's pretty bad naming conventions if you ask me, but it doesn't have to be readable to everyone else. Okay, so for every problem, we'll take in the I'll take in the problem, and then problems pushback problem. Okay, that makes sense. Now I just have to do an enhanced for loop for string problems. Another for loop that is if the int I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus equals 2. Okay. Now, if what? If prob I is equal to 1, you forgot to add the count. Whoa, not that. Oh. Jeez. Do that an int. We'll call that implemented. Whoa, you stupid. Implemented plus plus. No, okay, wait. We'll do 2 actually. That might be kind of crazy on the memory. We'll do int sure equals 0. Okay. Sure plus plus. Do sure equals 0. Okay, that should work. Sure plus plus. And then we should do if sure is greater than or equal to 2 implemented plus plus. Because at the end of this, we're supposed to print out implemented. I don't know why that shouldn't work. Let's just run that build command real quick. Wow, wait, that actually, okay, 3, 1, 1, 0. Oh, oh, it was going too well. It's going too well. Okay, basic string insertion. Okay, something happens when pushing back. What happened when pushing back? Okay, you added the problem. It was when you entered problems.pushback problem. The problem's a string though. I don't know why that's doing that. Maybe let me do a little trace. think my headphones just turned off. Are my headphones on? 3, 1, 1, 0. Okay, that works. Okay, so the problem's definitely pushing it back. I wonder why that doesn't work though. If it's a vector of strings, problems dot push back, problem is a string. I don't really get why that's not working. Is it reading them? Okay. Problem dot to string. There's no way that works. There's no way that works. Yeah, that's kind of what I thought. Basic string problem. Equalize. There's no member named toString. Okay, so it admits it's a string. Why can't it get pushed back? It's less than size. Okay, something's definitely long. Definitely wrong. Not definitely wrong. Definitely long. Equals. Does that do anything? I don't think that. Okay, let's get rid of the toString. Why'd that also get rid of the parentheses? Shit like that, dude. It's messed up. See, I don't know why that doesn't work. That's what's bugging me. Okay, let's see. What's the problem with that? Better test. Why don't we print out problem? I think that should work. One. Okay. Okay. For some reason, it gets rid of the spaces. It's weird. Let me search that up. Spaces. Let's count. Delimiter, use a delimiter for looking for items that need to be counted. So, okay, well, I mean, it looks like the space doesn't even matter. If it's just, see, something, or I guess it's not even the spaces. It's something. Just forget about the spaces. Oh. Just let's just do another enhance char I in char I in prob if to 1 sure, plus plus. That's plus plus plus. Else. I don't think it matters. Let's try that. It's a good sign. 3, 1, 0. What? That's a better start. I think you need to flush it. That's the problem. Pushback problem. Okay, we can get rid of this. Not clear. Okay. I think we can compile that again. Three, 1, 0. Okay, that's not what we want. Is that 2 lines? No, it's just 1 line. Okay. Now we gotta always clear on these. Actually, I'll just clear it on the first one. I think that's like good practice anyway. Problem.clear. That's another one we have to do. Wait, no. You can't do that. Oh, you can just send not clear? There's no way that works. There's no way that works. That should still be 1. I don't know why that does that. It's the bigger question. Why is it not working? How do I flush the send buffer? Look at the C versions. To the end of stream. Or to the end of line. Okay. We'll implement that. std send.ignore std numeric std stream size max and nope. That's definitely not going to work, but let's just try it. Oh. What? Oh. Maybe now? That works. 3, 1, 1. Ooh, no way. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, at least that works. I'm happy with that. Let's okay. Sure equals 0. 4 prob and problems. For the character in problem, if I is equal to 1. Sure plus plus. Nothing to that. Or hello, Diego. Okay. So then if sure is greater than or equal to 2, implemented gets, because that's how it is, right? If sure is equal to 1, or if the character is equal to 1. I don't know why it's not logging. Let me just compile that real quick to see if that makes a difference. What's up, Diego? Grade 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 0. Okay, that's definitely the input we need. The real question is, I don't know why it's not accounting for any of the integers or any of, yeah, just any of that. Ooh, I could do something rather not very fun. I could probably change problem to an integer. No, that wouldn't work. I wonder, can you typecast? Right, quit. Whoever's watching the stream, what are you thinking right now? Okay, that still doesn't work. If the integer is equal to 1. Let me just fucking print it out. What I don't get is why isn't it working? Why not? I'm just gonna compile that. What? Oh, what? Slash main 3, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Thinking you got this in the bag. Thank you so much. I don't know if I. Okay, so it. What? I don't know what it's doing. For it only does it once. Is there a way to format it? Can you format a vector? Or like. Oh, yo! What the hell is that? I'm gonna assume that means that you just can't print vectors. No. Actually, um, slash main. What does that do? 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. It like negates everything after the space. That's why it's not. Okay. I wonder why that is. Looking after. Well, actually, did this say anything on it? Send buffer clear. No, okay, that didn't say anything on it. String find. Delimit. What the hell? Okay, wait, hold on. Maps by default, the send stops reading as soon as it hits any white space. The whole line. Oh, are you kidding me? Is get line? Including spaces. Okay, that's way easy. Okay, we don't even need this. But that does mean that we need to start parsing properly for char for this I equals 0, I is less than 5, I plus equals 2. Then if prob I, I just no, it's equal to I think that's how it would look. I think that's how it would work. So instead of sin, okay, yeah, std string, no, std get line, sin, and then, oh, whoa. That's definitely not going to work on the first try, but I hope it does, because if it does, no way. That's sick. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Oh no. No. Why is it doing that? That's okay, something's logically wrong now. Okay. Get line. Does that include No, it doesn't include that. I don't really know. I don't really know what I'm doing because there's no more. Slim. Was there a get line clear? I'm guessing it's std get line dot clear. Uh, Thanks. Okay, yeah, so that should work then, right? Let me just try one more time. Okay. I'm bored. String. I don't really know why it's doing that. Um. Okay. Oh my god, this was supposed to go by so much quicker. Get line seems to be causing and ending the problem. I'm gonna. Oh, that probably isn't needed. Wait, no, that is needed. Is it? No, I don't think it is. I don't know if that'll fix it, but probably give me some clarity. 3 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, I don't know why it's doing that. No, not that. Okay. Okay, let's logically look at this and decipher what is wrong. Like the programmers we are. Did he send a clear get line? Some problem. Problem gets pushed back. Sin gets ignored. The sin gets cleared. I don't really know what's the problem. Does get line also in new line? See, that's what I thought. Why does it let me iterate like 5 times then? Right, this using get line. I really don't want to throw this in GPT. Why does using get line? No, but then if it skips white space, then what's the point? It's loop count equals string ends. If the loop is still acting up, I don't really get it. What's the difference here? Okay. I think it's a problem with the get ignored or the sin ignore. Maybe? That's gonna fuck up my code. I know that's gonna mess up my code. One, zero, one, zero, one, zero, zero. It like changes in the amount of times you can use it. Okay. So that didn't work. Maybe there's another way. Maybe there's another way. Stream size max. New take that. I can't even. Don't have to really type it in. Is that my punishment? Zero. Is less than 10. Less. Oh my god. No, that's so stupid. Wait, no, it's not even. I'm not even looking at the right one. Sin clear. Sin problems. Push back. Oh, you're joking. I really don't want it to debug the whole thing for me, but I don't think I have a choice. That serves me right. That serves me right. I don't really know what it wants. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I don't I don't know why it's lagging so much. My Wi-Fi is kind of shiz right now. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh my goodness, come on. Oh, why is it doing this? It's so cooked. I can't use AI. Wait a minute. Where's the for loop ending? Whoa, whoa. Oh, god damn it. How do you... How do you redo? It's Control R. Did that fix it? I don't know how to solve this. Actually, just kidding. Yeah. Come on, can we plot it? Nice. I'm only gonna try and bare minimum and tell it the problem. That wasn't the right file, was it? No, it's 71. Configure this, baby. Ask my favorite artificial intelligence. Reads the number but leaves the new line sitting. You can buffer. That's what it is? Are you shizzing me? Well, let's just try that first. Oh no, okay. Leaves a number but leaves a new line sitting in the input buffer. Okay. With a new line. Okay. We'll try it. Not saying it's right. Not gonna believe you one hundo. Stream size. Try it. I'll try it. There's no way it can be right. There's no way that AI can do what I can't. Oh my god. That fixed it. At least most of my logic was right. It was just a stupid buffer. We'll take notes on that. Let's try it one more time to make sure it's really working. Okay, yeah, it's working. Thanks. Okay. We can finally put this problem to rest. 3-1, 2-1A. Now let's hope this gets past Code Force's judge. And that's it. Submit. Accepted. Nice. 62 milliseconds. Is that under? Is that under the time limit necessary? 2 seconds. Yeah, that works. Okay. So far, we've done 3. Okay. So, I think I want to keep going. Maybe I'll do a leak code. Maybe. I really like doing these, though. These feel... like they... I don't know, I fancy them. I'm gonna do some research, though. Versus get I don't even want to know what a C string is. Get to it when I get to it. GetLine only works on strings, and information works on all data types except user-defined data types. Gotcha. With Getline, you specify the delimiter by the default. By default, that is used. Send. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, that's actually sick. I didn't know you could delimit it. That would have been so easy. That would have been so useful when I was in BPA. I mean, I might have already knew. I don't know. It was a delimiter for the input stream. Information is not, because Getline allows you to specify the delimiter you can data with spaces. Gotcha. I guess that's one thing I should keep take into account. Okay. That's fair enough. It's fair enough. It is fair enough. It is fair enough. It is fair enough. Okay. Well, I guess the real question is what's next? Let me think. Let's take a break from that. Let's go back to my ultra learning journey. Code Forces. There's C++. Notes. CDC. Okay. Sure. I don't know. Yeah, actually, let's make a directory to take our notes on this. We'll call it IO. We'll call it C++ IO. Actually, let me rename that. We'll move C++ IO. And the new name will be IO. Okay. We'll make a new file. I don't think can you touch in WSL? I'm pretty sure you can. Touch, we'll call it input.type. Okay. So we'll make a types document. Actually, that is not and then CDIO. We'll do types to watch IO or input dot type. Oh, seems to be working properly. Types preview. Types. Okay. Let's make it interesting. Page fill. No, we'll do. Maybe we'll do like, oh, what's a C++ color? Aqua. Oh, definitely not. Teal. No. Blue. I don't mind that. Normally that wouldn't be my first choice. You know what? Screw it. Navy. We'll structure it like everything else on my damn screen. What am I doing? Goals. C++. Notes. Actually, we'll just call this input. I forgot how you get the is it no, lower, upper. There's a, it's like a, is it super case? No, I forgot what it's called. It's like a nice typed label. Hashtag case. Cases. No. Type. Headers. Is there anything else? Anybody? I had this in my ChatGPT notes. Hold on, let me look at it on my ChatGPT notes because I actually don't remember my types lingo. It's a specific one that I actually quite liked. There's a call out. Bruh. Mega bruh. Underline. Small caps. That's it. That's it. Small caps. Okay. That's what. It's on the money. Okay. Small caps. And then we'll call that is it? C++ competitive programming guide. Or not guide. It's definitive. Notes. All this input. Ah. Okay. I don't like how small that is though. The text size will do 16 points. It's not too bad. We do 18. 18 points. Let me actually make this more standout cyan. Aqua. Oh, that's, oh my god. Aqua. Teal. I feel like teal like blends in a little bit more. Kind of like it. Yeah, that works. 18 font. We'll do Ubuntu Mono. That's not at all. Ubuntu. Oh. That looks way better. Okay. So, let's see. I feel like I have to know about streams to understand CM, but I'll just do like a mini header. Like, what's the difference between like, okay, small caps in this instance does actually nothing. Can we change that to something more interesting? Okay, well, let's see. Wait, I kind of like Ubuntu. I don't really know the difference between Ubuntu Mono and Ubuntu. Ooh, how proper. Let's just try it. F it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, I see. It's literally just small caps. Okay. That's cool. I kind of like that. Let's see. STD. This is STD. Get line. What is that? Oh my god, that's so bright. Send information. Okay. Just make a bullet points seem pretty appropriate. Go listen. I think I need to take a look at the C++ book again because I feel as though I don't really remember how to use C++. I'm quite hungry though. Well, I might order something. What should I order if I were in California and I had the ability to order? Let me see, is Chipotle still open? I feel like DoorDash and Chipotle is kind of a L. It's kind of an L. It's kind of an L if you X me. Kind of an L. Do I get it? Could go for a burrito bowl. You know what? Why not, dude? Why not? Whoa! Chipotle honey chicken. They do not have that all the time. I'm getting that. White rice, pinto, wok. Mmm, some cheese. I like it. I like it. Okay. I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay. Nice. Nice. I like this. Meet me outside. Yes, please. Okay. The Express. I'm not doing Express. It's not coming in the time that it says it will. No deals? Okay. I think I know what I have to do, low key. I don't know. See, that's bullcrap. I can't even apply this one thing. It's just free item. Yeah, whatever, whatever. Does that mean I get a free item? Because if I do, then I don't want to. I don't want to spoil that. I get a side of chicken. Nice. Nice. No, that looks about good. It's a bad day in American history. I actually just ordered Chipotle. Okay. Okay. He's gonna take literally forever. It's fine. It's fine. That's totally fine. It's totally, totally fine. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but if you ask me, here's the thing. I'm saying at one concurrent viewer that is definitely me. 24 views. Okay. Just like a mental note, I guess. Sin information works with all data types, whereas getLine only works with strings. All data types. That should work on only. What am I doing? I'm fumbling. Only strings. But each has their own purpose. Some all data types. Okay, that's comprehensive. We adjust the spacing. No, let's get personal. Carlos is C++ competitive programming notes. That's like a boss. I'd kill myself. Go. Really. Actually, I think I really need to torture myself now. It's time to get into some unfamiliar territory. We gotta make a project. Now, the project that I'm thinking of, probably shouldn't be built with this. With NeoVim, that is. So, let me see. So see, templates in C++ is something I have to learn. So why not take the time while we're on stream to just learn it? Type name T. My max integer. Okay. I kind of get that actually. My max. That makes sense. So I'm thinking for my project right now, we're going to develop. Let me just exit out of here. It's time to ditch NeoVim for just a bit. I don't mind the messy home screen. We're going to use code blocks. Okay. Create new project, console. Actually, we have a project. I was going to work on it earlier. There we go. Okay. Now we can stop working with hellish Crin like Bryson said. Mr. Blakely. Look, he's still coming back from the NeoVim grind. Okay, so if we run this, hello world, hello to you too. Okay. So this is our main, this is gonna be our driver. What we need is a new file. A new file. We'll make it a C++ header. Put the path to okay. Now it's in our project. I don't know what these do. These two up here, but I know that it'll include it. So This is how templates work. Template, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Template. Oh, they do it. Type name T. T. So we're gonna start with probably the easiest one, a linked list. Now I haven't implemented a linked list in damn near forever. So bear with me while I try and make one. Linked list. Linked list. Oh, you know what? I haven't implemented this since my first semester of college. Going into my third. I forgot how to implement it. Okay, well let's T and we'll do type. I think you can do that. That should be valid. This should be valid. Can you return like a okay, it's text. Maximum of 2 values. Can we get something else? Can we get like data structures? Okay, no. Implementing data structures. Structures. I just want to get a basis. Oh, oh, Nelly. No. I think you have to instantiate these. See, okay, so the problem now is that I don't know, I don't remember how these data structures worked. It might be time to refresh our memory. We'll use VS Code. Oh, I don't even want to look at that. It's disgusting. File. Okay. On second thought, I'm probably gonna end the stream at 10. And I'll make this a solid, like, what, 3-hour, 2-hour stream? Some slight, just to, for the fans, for the fans. Tomorrow we'll get right back at it. I guess you know what? We'll do this after. I'm not ending the stream. You know what I'm gonna do? What's one leak code? Okay. Let's see if neat code works. I don't know why it does that. Wouldn't it be the first time it's done that? It does. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay, let's check this out.
Hey everyone, in this course we're going to be learning about all the fundamental data structures and algorithms that you need to know, especially with a focus on coding interviews. This course is meant for beginners or anyone who just needs a refresher. We're going to be talking about the design, implementation, trade offs, and analysis of all the common data structures and algorithms. Being able to solve these problems efficiently, analyze them, discuss their trade offs, and then communicate the idea to others is what can make a difference in hundreds of thousands of dollars in compensation. I hope the problem solving skills you learn in this course can serve you for your entire career. For more details on what we're going to cover, please scroll down, and when you're ready, let's get started.
Actually, I'm ending the stream. I just thought about it. I'm going to be using MIT OpenCourseware to learn data structures and algorithms. I don't know if I can. Can I stream that? Can I stream MIT OpenCourseware? No. Like, no, I don't think you're. Can I broadcast? Yeah, okay, no, I don't think we can do that then. Well, that was fun. I had a lot of fun with all of you. Thank you to everyone who tuned into the stream. I'm probably gonna head out so I can learn some more and okay, get my Chipotle that's coming on the way. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great night. Just a fantastic night. Peace.